Hello and welcome everybody. Tesla stock on 27 November. Let's start step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's start for this stock. So according to what we want to Tesla stock to be explained, this is going to be referring for us that Tesla stock will be one of the stocks that can be done here. Okay, 0.1 Fibonacci level is going to be here. Okay, abdicated, and then let's go with easy steps. So I think this intersection would be the purpose for what we want. Okay, since the Tesla stock is going to be like this in 1 week update, we see that a lot of red candles appears here and the green candles appears here. So the price that would be as a prediction for us is going to be the red green candles that would appear here, then the red candles that would decrease and can pass through this trend line, so it make an interaction and they pass through it, and this would make this manner because this 0.1 Fibonacci level it had been completed. Then it makes a separation from this wave, so from the previous wave, and it starts to make a new wave. That what we call it Tesla stock explanation of technical analysis and the price prediction.